Scandic Hotel Central, Gothenburg, Sweden. In 2021 432 8637.
Tredje våningen, third floor. Kör uppåt, going
Ground
up.
floor. Seventeen percent 1225 kilograms. Inspected by Kone, maintained by
Åttonde våningen, eighth floor.
Kone, I think. Let's say elevators.
Nedåt, going down.
8th floor. Hmm. In 2021 432 8639, and this hotel opened last year. Third floor. Seventeen percent 1275 kilograms. Eighth floor. Expected parking wise, that maintained by Kone. Let's change elevators. And I don't think that these elevators are brand new anymore, but I will check it. Yes, if the building opened less than half year ago, even if these elevators are from 2021, they are brand new, I think. In 2021 432 8638. Third floor. Seventeen percent 1275 kilograms. Inspected by and maintained by Kone. Now the fourth one, and it was quite easy to get all four ones now, but it's almost always too hard. In 2021 432 8640. Third floor.
Tredje våningen. Kör uppåt.
And this floor number is strange. 1 to 6 would have been better. Or it is of course more rare, but not so clear. 17% 1275 kilograms. 8th floor. Expected bulky wise. Maintained by Kone. Test.